Today on cold email teardowns, we're going into the inbox to build up the ultimate cold email for selling video production to tech companies. Stick around. If you don't know me, they call me the Cold Email King. I'm the author of the book Cold Email Manifesto. We've sent millions of cold emails for our clients, generated over $100 million in leads for our clients, and I'm here to talk about cold email. What is that? Well, cold email is a B2B marketing technique that involves sending an email to someone who might not know you in order to pitch your product or service. And it's the easiest, best, and fastest way to grow your agency or SaaS product. Today, we're going to go through video production for tech companies. This is going to be a good one. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to see more videos like this. Hiro... Oh, this is such a bad start from second one. Dude, all right. From Hiro Mamoru. Hey, Alex, here's a couple cold email templates that I've saved on my Google Docs from my account and have tried to get real PayPal paying clients through my drop servicing SMMA online, but nothing happened for me. It's like he's speaking another language, bro. Drop servicing SMMA online. This is somebody that has watched too many ads. With that being said, this guy's been in every course known to man if he knows all of these terms. So what are those courses teaching? What is his great cold email after joining every course but ours? Here we go. Subject: Cloud Advice's explainer video. Greg, a client in tech led me to find cloud advice on LinkedIn, and I noticed an interesting leverage point. We can produce your first highly converting animated explainer videos for you as soon as today. Right now, we're offering a 50% discount on our animated sales video production services for SaaS companies as a way to build up our testimonials and portfolio in the space. You can get your high converting animated sales video from just $3.99 per 30 seconds during this launch period with script, storyboard, voiceover, and animation. All this done for you. So it's the perfect time to get animated sales video to drive real results like these: 64% conversion rates, 53x SEO, 88% time on page, etc., with data to back this up. Need a video to explain your tech? We produced over 300 videos for some of the world's best. Join the likes of DigitalOcean, Salesforce, Nokia, Mobike, Zami, Algola, and AllTrails. So these guys are actually legitimate, but this crappy email is ruining them. We're a leading video production agency with 347 videos produced in 50 industries, so check it out. Blah, 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 no one cares. All right, so how do we improve this email to make it better? Let's start with the basics: the target, offer, and case study. Tech companies, software, funded, offer, animated explainer video. So we've got a few for the case study. We produced over 300 videos for some of the world's best. Join the likes of DigitalOcean, Salesforce, Nokia, Mobike, Zami, Algola. I would love to see examples of these videos too. It's weird, he has all of this information except a link to the actual video content that he makes. So with that being said, let's write the email. A good cold email follows the 3 C's: compliment, case study, call to action. So with that in mind, let's go and rewrite this email. Start with the subject line. Quick question. First name: hey Mark, huge fan of company, awesome growth so far. That's the compliment. The case study would be: we've produced animated explainer videos for some of the world's best. I'd love to make one for company name as well. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Hiro. So that's one way I would test it. The other way I would test this is, and first of all, let me change company to company name. I would test it one way, and then the other thing I would change is the call to action. So same exact email, except the call to action would be: mind if I send over some examples of past work? That way, if the CEOs of these major companies are asking for your past work, you're looking at it and you're good to go. And I would A/B test both of these, see which one performs better. Because sometimes with creative projects like this, they really want to see that you know what you're talking about before you get on a phone call. So I would A/B test both of these. Although for a sales and conversion process, if I had to pick one, I would say this top one would convert higher in terms of actual sales. So here's where we end up with the cold email teardown. This is where we started, and this is where we are now. Hey, first name, huge fan of company name, awesome growth so far. We've produced animated explainer videos for some of the world's best, like DigitalOcean, Salesforce, Nokia, and I'd love to make one for company name as well. Mind if I send over some examples of past work? Thanks, Hero. If you want to learn more about lead generation, join a community of awesome people, and have me help you out weekly on live calls, then you have to join the private group at email10k.com. It also comes with full access to all of our courses on growing a business, so go on over to email10k.com now. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.